In today's video, we're diving into TitleMaster AI, a just-released AI software that's turning heads. If you're someone who's looking to stay ahead of the curve with AI-driven tools to boost your digital marketing, you're going to want to stick around because there are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about TitleMaster AI. By the end of this video, you'll know whether this tool is worth your time and money. But before we get started, you can try TitleMaster AI completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on that offer. Now, let's get into it. First up, TitleMaster AI is designed to help you generate high-converting titles for your marketing campaigns. If you've ever struggled with coming up with the perfect title that grabs attention, you'll appreciate what this software brings to the table. It's powered by advanced AI algorithms that analyze top-performing titles and help you create your own, tailored specifically to your niche or business. One of the standout features of TitleMaster AI is its ability to create titles for a variety of platforms. Whether you're working on YouTube, landing pages, email subject lines, or even blog posts, this tool has you covered. It makes sure that the titles are not only catchy, but also optimized for maximum engagement. This is perfect for anyone who needs high-performing content without wasting time brainstorming. The AI doesn't just create random titles. It uses deep learning to understand your target audience. It assesses key elements like tone, relevance, and emotional appeal, ensuring that every title is designed to resonate with the right people. This feature alone makes TitleMaster AI a powerful asset for marketers who want results. Now, another key thing to note is how easy TitleMaster AI is to use. The interface is incredibly user-friendly, even if you're not tech-savvy. The dashboard is intuitive, and you can start creating your first titles in minutes. Plus, there's a built-in performance tracker that allows you to see how your titles are doing once they're published. This helps you refine your approach and optimize your content strategy. But what about customization? TitleMaster AI doesn't lock you into one-size-fits-all templates. You can adjust and tweak titles to your specific needs, whether you want to make them more persuasive, add keywords for SEO, or just give them your personal touch. This customization is something that many AI tools in the market don't offer to this extent. Another reason TitleMaster AI is so powerful is its ability to analyze competitors. It doesn't just suggest titles based on your input, it also looks at what's working for your competition. By understanding what titles are generating the most clicks in your niche, TitleMaster AI can suggest strategies to help you stay competitive. Lastly, TitleMaster AI is incredibly fast. Unlike some tools that can take ages to generate results, this software delivers in seconds. This means you can move faster and get your marketing campaigns off the ground with minimal delays. But let me leave you with one thing. While TitleMaster AI has all these amazing features, it's still in its early stages, so expect regular updates and improvements. If you jump in now, you'll be getting a tool that only promises to get better. So, is TitleMaster AI the best AI tool for creating titles? In my opinion, it definitely has the potential to be one of the top contenders. If you're serious about boosting your digital marketing and saving time, this software is worth checking out. And remember, you can try it for free through the link in the description below. I've spent a lot of time testing AI tools in the marketing space, and TitleMaster AI is one of the few that has really impressed me so far. If you want to try out the best AI software for your needs, check out my recommended tools in the description as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.